Hi and welcome to my first scripting tutorial, and today we're going to be making a whitelist script, as you probably know. So let's get started. So first, make a new script and server script service. Now we can call it whatever you want. However, just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to call it whitelist script. Next, create a new model script inside the script and call it whitelist or whatever you want. I'm going to call it a whitelist. Now inside a model script, change model to whitelist and local model to local whitelist, and then put two square brackets inside of these curly brackets, then quotation marks inside the square brackets, and then put your ROBLOX name inside, and then go outside of the square brackets, press space, put an equal sign, space, true. So, we got that out of the way. So, now close the whitelist script, or you can, I don't know, you can just tab out of it, I guess. Then go to your main whitelist script, and we need to make a function that checks the player's name. If a player joins the game, we want to check their name. If they're on the whitelist, we want to kick. If they're not on the whitelist, we want to kick them. If they are, we do not want to do anything to them. So we're going to be making a script. Let's go. First off, let's require this script, which is essentially putting this script right here, into this script. Put in local whitelist is equal to require script.whitelist. So I'm going to explain in short what this does. We're making a new variable called whitelist, and we're setting the variable to this script, and then we're referencing from this script a child, which is essentially something that is parented to this script called the model script called whitelist, which is, you should understand this. Honestly, if you do not, then comment down below and I'm going to link you an article on model scripts. So let's make a nice space so we do not get confused with our script. And now let's put in game that players. So we're referencing the players right here that player added. So we're checking for an event to happen when a player joins the game. Put in a connect, make sure it's capitalized because the disconnect is for the beta people. Do not use disconnect. Function, remove this bracket and put in, well, you can input whatever you want. However, for the sake of you guys understanding, I'm just going to input player and then press space, and you should get an end. Now if you do not get this, just write it down like this. Now we want to check if the player is on the whitelist. So now there are a lot of ways to do this. However, I'm going to show you something else, because what we did right now is quite inaccurate. So let's go to your profile on ROBLOX, press profile, get this ID from here, and instead of your name, delete these brackets and put this. So what this does, this is a unique ID. You cannot change it, because you can change your name on ROBLOX, but you cannot change your ID. So that just makes it, you're making extra sure if the player changes their name or whatever, just, you know, always use the ID, because it is you cannot change it. Okay, just always use the ID instead of the name, unless you know they're not going to change their name. But try using the ID. You can get anyone else's ID. Let's go for an example to someone else's profile. Let's go to ROBLOX's profile. And as you may see there, you have an ID of 1. Now I'm going to show you how to add more people to this whitelist. You put a colon here, put some square brackets, paste the ID in here, and true. And you can do this process as many times as you'd like. So now let's get back to our whitelist script. and let's put in if whitelist player.name, then we do not do anything. But if they are not on the whitelist, we want to player kick, you are not whitelisted. And sorry, not player.name, player.user ID. So let's press play. And now you can see that you weren't kicked. But let's remove you from the whitelist. And let's press play. You are not whitelisted. So as you may see, this script works, and it is a pretty good script, honestly. Again, if you do not understand something, feel free to comment. I'm going to explain this to the best of my ability. So yeah. In my next video, I'm going to be making... Actually, vote down in the description. I'm going to be making a poll whether I should make a group whitelist script so I can whitelist whole groups of people and not input their names, or if I should make a ban script. So yeah, thank you for watching. You can subscribe to see more videos. You can dislike the video if you didn't like it. You can like it if you liked it. So yeah, thank you for watching again.